Hey everybody, my name is Vyanan Mottian, or some of you know me as Bima does. Today I'd like to share with you all a video talking to you about the new vegan business. My vegan business, Rasa Catering Services. But before I do that, I'd like to share with you all a brief information about myself. I was previously a celibate monk, and as well also I had previous personal training experience in the fitness industry. Thus, I wanted to start a nice vegan business bridging the gap of quality, affordable vegan meals. What we have to offer at Rasa Catering Services is we offer quality, affordable meal prep plans to any client or individual on a time-constrained schedule or a fitness fanatic. We offer catering to any function or event, and we offer teaching courses as well. We're also on every social media website, and you can also catch us on our website at www.rasacatering.co.za, or you can check the links below. We look forward to serving you here from Rasa Catering in the near future. Thank you so much.